morning, you guys. I need to go to the post office and drop off this order. So let's go and do that real quick. It's literally just around the corner. So let's do that. And then I got a few more orders last night. So I'm going to go and pack those. And yeah, hopefully that'll be most of my day. I just finished at the post office. I dropped off an order that I got. I need to go pack these other two. I don't know why I didn't just wait to go to the post office, but there's no line in the morning time. So if I go in the morning, I can go ahead and just knock that out and not have to wait in line at all. So, going to choose a song. And let's go, Bessie! Other things on my to-do list today were to stop at Hobby Lobby and pick up one of these jewelry containers. But I'm going to use it to organize my hardware for my new jewelry collection that I am starting to work on. I also wanted some cute needle nose pliers for when I make TikToks and make YouTube videos and stuff, but right now I don't think that's a necessity. I have a pair, so on to the next spot. My other errand I needed to run was going to Walgreens, and I just need to pick up some deodorant for my mans. Hey y'all, I wanted to bring a brand new sales map for 2025. This time I'm going to do it digitally so that I can keep up with it a lot better than I did last year. I'm also going to start updating it monthly, so I'll add in any new states that I haven't already gotten each month to show my progress for 2025. I think I may have had 1 or 2 repeat states, but this was pretty good for the month of January for me. If you see your state and you haven't placed an order yet, place an order and I will fill in your state for next month. And if you didn't know, all of our TikTok shop orders do come with a free gift to say thank you. And how many states do you think I got this month? Comment down below. I really enjoy packing you all's orders, and I try to do a pack and order at least once a week here on my TikTok. If you're interested in purchasing, you can also go to our website shopdaisy.com. And was your guess correct? We ship to 10 states for the month of January. This is so exciting. Can't wait for more. I'm in my boyfriend's car, in one of my boyfriend's cars. He wants to go to Harbor Freight, so I figured I would take you guys to Harbor Freight with us and put this new camera to use. See you guys when we get in the store.
So that would be the upgrade.
Yes. Because that's the same as that. So 60.